Hi and welcome to Sapiens.BI. Thank you for trying out our reporting tool. In this video, I will walk you through the installation process so that you can start building your first reports and charts. The first thing you need to do is log into your CRM system and head over here and click on Administration. In here, scroll down to the Developer Tools section and click on the module loader. Go to Choose File and locate the installation package that we sent you. Hit Open and upload. Once it has finished uploading, go to Install. In here, hit Accept and Commit. And when you get to this window, go back to Module Loader. And you will see that Sapiens.BI has now been installed. The next thing to do is go over to these three dots and look for Sapiens.BI. In here, you will see all the predefined reports that are ready to use, neatly arranged in folders. So let's click on a report. And once you open it, you should be able to see all your data already loaded. If that's the case, then you are all set and you can start customizing your reports for your business. If you do, however, experience any issues, a build and repair might solve the issue. The problem could also be due to file permission restrictions or upload and post size limitations. You may also be prompted to download fonts, and if that's the case, just go ahead and follow the instructions there. You might also be required to update your license, and to do that, you can click on the gear icon here, or if you're in the main view, go over to the Settings button. And in here, just paste the license key that was provided to you and hit Save when done. I hope you found this video tutorial useful in setting up your Sapiens.BI. Now, if you still have any questions or if anything's not working, I'm going to leave our contact information below this video so you can reach out to us. For now though, you are ready to set up your first report, so I'm going to leave a video tutorial up here so you can learn how to do that. And that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye!